Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you at 4 p.m. every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. Please hit that little subscribe and bell notifications if you actually want to know when I'm going to post something. Happy Halloween, everybody! And we have a perfect little cocktail for your Halloween party. To a shaker, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of grenadine. You can find grenadine in any decently sized grocery store. And then you want about 2 ounces of rum. Usually grenadine is located with kind of all the other, either with the cocktail ingredients like club soda, shit like that, or with the ice cream stuff. And then you want 3/4 of an ounce or a half a shot of peach schnapps. And then you want to add 3 ounces or 2 shots of cherry juice or a cherry combo juice. I think I went with, apple cherry juice. And then give it a shake. Shake it up. And then you just want to pour it in a glass. And that's pretty much it. I garnished it with a maraschino cherry. And that's that. Dracula's blood. Done. And there's the cherry.